Hi, this is John from BookBaby here with a video showing you how to proof your audiobook. Start by logging into your bookbaby.com account. You will see a proof approval required in your notification center. Click on that to take you to the project. Click the View Approve Proofs button to load the proofing page. Please note at the top the indication which of your 3 rounds of proofs you are on. Take a minute to review the important instructions for some helpful tips about submitting pronunciation changes, which can include other changes such as the length of a pause during a hyphenated word. I know you're anxious to hear your audiobook, but first let's take a moment to discuss some functionality of the proofer. If you are not seeing the proofer, you may have a browser extension that is interfering, such as an ad blocker, or an internet security setting that is stopping it from loading. You will want to make sure you are viewing on a high-resolution display, and you may want to zoom out so that you can see the full frame. It is recommended that you do your proofing on a desktop or laptop computer, not a phone or a tablet, due to the size of the screen. If you are scrolling down the page, once you are hovering over the proofer frame, you will begin to scroll within that area, rather than scroll the entire page down. You can get around this by hovering your mouse over the links on the left side of the screen when you are scrolling, or by grabbing the outermost scroll bar on the right side of your browser window. We can now begin listening back to your proof. In the lower left-hand corner, you will see a play button. Click that to begin playing your audiobook. There is a progress bar that will track how far you have advanced within the audiobook proof. You can use the forward and reverse arrows to navigate ahead or repeat passages. Each click will navigate one sentence. You can also use the table of contents on the left side of the frame to navigate by chapter. On the bottom right of the frame, you will see your playback speed, which is set to a default of 1 times normal speed. If you click on that icon, a variety of speeds up to twice the default speed are available. You can experiment to find the pace that suits your listening preference. When you hear a reading that you wish to change, use the pause button in the lower left-hand corner to halt the playback and click on the sentence that needs changed. This will present you with 2 options. One to start playback from this sentence, and another to edit this sentence. Clicking edit will cause a pop-up to appear where you can type in pronunciation changes or other requests. These are reviewed by an operator, so if you are unclear how to spell the word phonetically, you can use another way of explaining, such as rhymes with or should be pronounced like. For example, if the AI put emphasis on the H in honor and pronounced it honor, you could submit a correction to say, it should be pronounced like on-er. Once you have pronunciation changes saved, you will see an orange dot next to the sentence. You can review all of your saved changes by clicking on the pencil icon in the upper right-hand corner of the frame. This will bring up a list of changes. From here, you can add a comment, or if upon listening back, you have decided a change is no longer needed, discard the update. To leave this view and return to your book, click on the Back to Whole Book Editing button. Once you have reviewed your entire audiobook and documented all needed pronunciation changes, you can use the Submit Pronunciation Changes button in the upper left-hand corner of the frame. When your second round proof is ready for review, you will log into your account and click the View/Approve Proofs button just like before. Once the proof has loaded, click on the pencil icon in the upper right corner to bring up the updated changes. Click the play button next to each update to hear the change. You can approve or reject the change. If you reject the change, a comment box will appear where you can enter clarification. Once you have resolved all of the updates, you can click Back to Whole Book Editing. At this point, you have the option to listen to your entire audiobook proof with the new updates in place. If you find more pronunciation changes needed, this is your last opportunity to submit them using the same methods we covered earlier in the video. If you are satisfied with your updates and your audiobook as a whole, you can click the Accept Proof button in the upper left corner of the frame. If you need to submit a second round of pronunciation changes, the third round proof will no longer present you with an option to submit more pronunciation changes, only to review your requested changes and accept the proof.
Thanks Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future videos. For more information on self-publishing your book, visit www.bookbaby.com.